Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the mini mystery box of awesome. I've done a few of these on my channel, so I'll link those below, but it is 100% a mystery. There's no kind of theme or anything like that, but I've gotten some really cool products, so I'm excited to see what came this month. The first thing I'm pulling out, this is All Day Essence Lavender Roll-On Deodorant. I actually like the smell of lavender, so let's see what it smells like. Yeah, that definitely smells like lavender, smells really good. So that's one item. I don't think we've ever gotten like a bath or body product before. These are facial buffs. It says used to clean and exfoliate. It's actually imported from Walmart, Canada. I have something similar to this in the shower and I do like them. There's something in a big box. We have some advertisements from Pet Treater, mystery bag, grab your phone and text secret to receive a free grab bag. That's cool. So we have some information about that. They always do include like some little brain teasers, I guess you'd call them. Little puzzles and things like that to do. So that's kind of fun. Ooh, I could actually 100% use that. It's by Sharper Image. It's the Auto Seat Gap Sealer. That is an amazing idea. I actually got a brand new car, what, 2 months ago, I think? And already spilled stuff right in between the freaking seat. Went down like the seatbelt thing. Ugh, it was a mess. And your hand, I have very thin wrists. I couldn't even get it down there. It was terrible. So this is awesome because it would kind of prevent that. And plus I put my phone there. Oh my gosh, that is handy. Never search under your seat again. Plugs the gap between seat and console. No more digging for dropped items. One size fits most cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Yes. So excited. Let's open it. A little sheet of paper, and this is what it looks like. That is cool. So yeah, it just wedges down there. You don't even need to connect anything. Huh, this one goes all the way through. I guess that one through your seatbelt, obviously. And then this one, you could put your phone in there. My phone probably would fit in there. Or you could even hide like coins or something in there. That's awesome. It's kind of like memory phones, kind of squishy. How cool. So yeah, that's awesome. Definitely things I'll use. If you guys want to sign up for a subscription, I'll link all that information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.